What's up guys, welcome to Apeh Menu YouTube channel. Help subscribe to this channel to get the latest videos on how much your favorite YouTubers earn from their YouTube. Do click on that little bell icon to be notified of the latest video. Here is the main character for this video. So, how do YouTubers get paid? Based on the research I made with my cat, we found that one of the most passive ways to make an income through YouTube channel is to earn money through ad views. There are two types of ads: 1. CPM, cost per 1,000 views, and 2. CPC, cost per click. If the ads is CPM, that means the viewer of your YouTube video must watch the ad for longer than 30 seconds. If it's a CPC ads, then you get paid based on how many viewers click on the ads surrounding your video. Now, let's go to Bruno Mars YouTube channel. According to 괘ᴏ괱ᴚ, Bruno Mars YouTube have uploaded 74 video. He currently has 29.6 million subscribers. After reaching 10 million subscribers, he has been awarded with the diamond play button from YouTube. Currently, he has a total view of 13,689,165,288. That is insane. He is a YouTuber from US. And his channel type is music. He created his channel since September 19, 2006. The grade he got is A, and his 괘ᴏⴱᴚ ranking is 693rd. Subscriber ranking is 87th. Video view rank is 112th. He ranked 32nd in US. And music rank is 38th. Next, the average on daily subs for Bruno Mars YouTube is around 16.6k. And daily view around 24,491,076. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube. And this is going to be an estimate. So, daily views he got is 24,500,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning for Bruno Mars will be $98,000. Monthly income is $2,940,000. And yearly income will get $35,280,000. But wait. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue of 45%. Now, $35,280,000 multiply with 0.55 will get $19,404,000. And that is how much Bruno Mars earned from YouTube. I think anyone can succeed on YouTube, if they work really hard. That's what my cat said. And I agree. Period.